Okay guys, welcome to my next video, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Braun Series 9 Pro cleaning station. As you know, my razor is a 9465cc. This cleaning station is the 5430. So we're going to go through step by step what you need to do to use this cleaning station. Okay. Now, and I've run a cycle already, so it's clean already, but let's assume it wasn't clean. Okay, so what you want to do is you take your Braun cleaning brush, take the head off the razor, and you just brush out, the debris, the skin particles, the hair. But again, it's pretty clean because I just ran a cleaning cycle, because I wanted to see exactly how long it would take. And I'll get into that in a few minutes. Okay, the head, of course, here's the head. Take that off, and that's exactly the position you want the head to be in when you put it back on the razor. You don't want it like this. Okay, you want it like this. Okay, but again, you can see inside perfectly clean, totally free of hair. Now, you don't want to brush this. Braun recommends you to tap it on the table to get rid of the hair, but that's not going to do a thorough job. This thing's waterproof. There's no need to use, the tapping method. Just rinse it under the hot water. Get all the hair out of there. And so let's assume we've done that, which we did earlier. Set that aside. Now, you can see here, on the cleaning station, the Braun logo is facing the camera. And likewise, the cleaning cartridge is also, the Braun logo is also facing the camera as well. Okay? You see the cap is further from the camera. Okay, so we'll set that down here. Okay. So this is really easy. Now let's take the razor. We have to put the head back on. You see on the razor, there's a button there with an arrow. Another button on that side. Okay, so we want to position this head again like this, as I've said, front of the razor. The switch here is in the up position. That's the head lock, which is disabled. You can see that it's swiveling a bit as I'm pivoting, as I'm trying to get the head back on. So when it's pivoting. Okay. We want to make sure that it is pivoting. Okay. Now, we put it in the station. We don't want it to be like this. Okay. We don't want it to be like this either. It's got to be neutral. Okay. Put it in a neutral position, just like this. Okay. Set that aside for now. On the back of the cleaning station, there's a button. You can see that. Okay. So you want to press this button, and there you go. And it pops right up. We'll put it back down this way again. And then again, the cleaning station, the cleaning cartridge. We want to have the Braun logo facing the same way on the cleaning cartridge as the cleaning station. We want to take the cap off here. And just a word of advice, just follow what Braun says, okay? Don't try to put the razor in without brushing it out. Your cleaning solution is going to be black. Okay. The main thing here is to get this razor lubricated and cleaned, and it's a lot easier to do that if there's not hair that the cleaning station has to deal with, because you can easily clog the cleaning station if your head is full of hair as well. So rinse that head underwater, as I've said. and brush the inside of it out with this included brush. Okay. We'll put the cleaning station, or sorry, the cleaning cartridge in here. Slide it in all the way. Can't go any further. And push down. There we go. Lock it in place. Okay. Take the razor. Press the power button. And we'll drop the razor in. And you'll know if it's in right. See that? So now we kind of tilt it backward. Okay. Now, when you take it out, you don't just lift up on it. You've got to tilt it forward. Tilt it forward. The light goes off, and pull it out. Okay. Again, drop it in, tilt it back, and the light comes on. You see it's charging. Now, we'll run a cleaning cycle, and I'll go through what's happening. Press the button. You hear the solutions running. You can hear it. Razor's turning on. Now again, this solution is cycling. I mean, there's no spout anywhere where it's getting rid of the old solution. This solution is constantly cycling, and it's using itself again and again. So we're not wasting any solution here. I've run about 3 cleaning cycles just to get a feel for how it's done, so I could make this video for you and know what I'm doing. And I can say confidently now that I do know what I'm doing. So it's turning on, it's going through the cleaning process now. What'll happen eventually is the fan will start running, okay? Once the fan starts running, it's gonna run for 40 minutes. And once that happens, once the 40 minutes is done, okay, then the razor will start charging. So I'm gonna go through this process with you up until the fan starts running, which is now. The fan's running, so in 40 minutes it'll stop, and then it's going to start charging. Okay, so I'll let the fan run for 40 minutes, but that's pretty much it, guys. That's how we run a cleaning cycle. Now, yeah, a lot of people have, rather than buy new cleaning cartridges, they've filled their cartridges with alcohol, a little bit of oil, essential oil, lemon oil, grapefruit oil. I haven't done that. I may do a video on that. But of course, as of right now, I'm showing you how to use the cleaning cartridge that comes with the razor. So there you go. There's a video. It's fairly straightforward on how to do it. Again, remember, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and of course, again, visit www.electricrazorwrap.com. You can ask me questions there about this procedure, give a review on your razor. Anything to do with electric shaving is welcome at Electric Razor Wrap. So I'll see you in the next video, and thanks again.